Welcome to the world of hydraulics. For the last 3 years, Dynaset has developed a new product category, the vacuum. And today we are presenting the first product to the category, the HRVB, Hydraulic Recycling Vacuum Bucket. It is an excavator bucket that is specially designed to help in worksite cleanings and recycling tasks. This special bucket is a combination of excavator bucket and a vacuum cleaner. On top of that, this bucket can also be used as an air blower, as the video shows in the end. The bucket has gone through many phases of development, and here you can see phase 1, phase 2, and the final product. In the phase 1, we focused on developing the concept of a vacuum bucket. It was designed to the construction buildings and demolition sites. From there on, as we saw very promising results, we developed its more compact and usable design for all sorts of work sites, not just construction and demolition sites. Also thinking municipal infrastructure, environmental cleaning and recycling situations or tasks. Also, we added an auxiliary hatch for the vacuum hose so that the operator can do it by hand where you could not work with an excavator. Here we see the released product, now added with a powerful air blower also in the back of it. The design has been developed further on to be more structurally sound with more adjustability and safety functions. The air blower expands the usability of HRVB bucket. Here we see it being used on tramway railways, maintenance and cleaning jobs, to blow the leaves and gather them on a pile and then gathering them with a bucket. This application is already in use in tramways in Tampere, Finland, as we speak. The Dynaset HRVB Hydraulic Recycling Vacuum Bucket is an excellent tool for collecting, recycling, scrap material from construction and demolition sites, and also infrastructure and municipal work sites or tasks. Hit the like button if you like the new product, and comment below where would you use this HRVB Hydraulic Recycling Vacuum Bucket.